So some of us have asked, how did I make this power compound slide? Um, Basically, all it is, it's a windshield power motor, and it's connected to some gears. I had some gears lying around. Um, that that I just kind of repurposed them. I had to machine them a little bit, make this little bracket here, and attached it to this. And I had to replace the lead screw with another, common lead screw, and do the standard um, brass nut and all that. So it's not really very complicated. One of the things I like about this Smithy is it has this bed table. I mean, you can put a lot of stuff on it, and I may have some more videos down the road. I know there are other issues. With machines, nothing is perfect. You have to kind of work with compromises, and you have to work around the shortcomings and work through that. Yeah, this is not going to make missile parts, aircraft parts. I understand that. Maybe it will out of them. Depends upon how good I am. But for what I'm doing, this thing is excellent. I've got a beautiful bed. I can set up multiple items in here. I plan on putting a CNC conversion on this thing at some point. So that will, this way I can make this thing a sort of tool changer, gang tool changer kind of a thing. So anyway, to show you guys real quick how this thing is working. I have this switch that I just go forward, reverse, forward. And I have some issues with vibration on this, and plus this cutter is not very good. I need to change the insert, but this is just to do a quick demo on it. And for what I need, it works perfect. And as I said, at some point, I probably will not do ball screws and all that. This is not something I'm going to be using this mill for making complex lathe geometry parts. This is very simple parts like this, instead of standing there cranking handles all day, you can use some motorized geometry and machine some parts. So we've done quite a few things to it. As I mentioned in previous videos, we have a very complex repurposed Bridgeport power feed connected to this. There's a whole video on that you can see. You put a VFD switches and all that, and there's the VFD for the spindle, and there's the VFD for the power feed. So overall, you can engage the power feed, and you can see it does a pretty good job. I mean, it is a 25-year-old machine. I bought this machine 25 years ago. This was my first actual machine that I actually bought. In those days, 25 years ago, it was hard to, I did not know anything about machining, and I still don't, but this was something which was advertised, marketed well, and I bought this, and it's been holding up. With all the abuse me and my two sons we have done to this machine, she is holding up. Yes, there are lots of issues, absolutely, and I think every machine has issues. I'm not gonna repeat myself, but I'm not gonna make complex parts now. This is really not for that. I mean, you can make, it depends on how good you are. So overall, thank you for watching. So this was, if you guys need any more information on this, if you want me to do a tear down on this, I can do that. And I can post post a video on it. Just let me know. Have a nice day. Bye.